How to sign out of Roblox mobile app on iPhone, iPad or Android. Let's get started. First up, launch your Roblox app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now how to log out of your account. It's really simple and quick process. At the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of More. Once you land to the More page, scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you're going to find the option of Switch Account and Log Out. If you just want to switch your account, click on the option of Switch Account, and with that, you will be able to add a new account. Likewise, if you want to log out of your account, click on the option of Log Out. Are you sure you want to log out? Click on Log Out. Just with that, you will be logged out of your account. Well, this is how you can easily sign out of Roblox mobile app on iPhone, iPad or Android. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.